Good day guys, it's me again Tyrone, ang inyong Indiano Chopper, and welcome back. And also welcome back to me. Kasi nga, it's my first time to be back for a very long time. I've been busy sa work, sa family, sa house. So today, with all the items that are increasing, especially the gasoline, the diesel, and everything else, I am doing this para makatipid. And recently, I have decided to do this for myself and also for my family. So today, we're going to do an unboxing. So join me and I hope this will come out good. Alright, so this is it guys. This is going to be my first ever bike. I don't know when was the last time I ever got a bike. Maybe nung bata pa kami. Since my father died, never kami nagkaroon ng bike with my brother. So this is my first ever bike na binili for myself. So join me as I unbox this. So this is the Kespor Ulti Pro Titanium Road Bike. This is their road bike series and I think this is the best that they got now. So can't wait to unbox this with you. So join me. And by the way, shout out to DJ Cycle Ride. Sila yung nakapag-provide ng bike ko. I've been searching online which bike to buy and also kung saan ko siya mabibili. Kasi to be honest, it has been out of stock for a while. Kasi nga, they've been selling this like a hot cake. Thank you, DJ Cycle Ride. At ako yung isa sa mga first owners ng new batch nila for this 2026 Kespor Ulti Pro Titanium Road Bike. So let's do this guys. I'm excited kasi nga it's my first time and I don't even know if kaya ko siyang i-assemble. I'm so excited to do this so that I can ride with my kids with their push bike. By the way, kudos to Flash Express. It arrived very early. It only took 3 days from Manila. Wow! Yeah. And with the freebies or the accessories. So let's check this out later. And then there's a small box here. I don't know kung ano to. Set aside muna natin to. So eto siya guys. Very lightweight. Ayan. So, pwede siyang i-gano, no? Well packed talaga. Very safe. Tignan nyo naman yan. Yan guys, oh. Alam nyo na yung tunog. Grabe. Grabe yung struggle guys. Honestly, very good job kay DJ Cycle Ride. Very well packed. Okay, so we will do the drop bar first. Tinanggal ko lang yung gulong kasi kailangan ko siyang may patayo. Something lang, hindi pa dumating yung bike stand. It's my fault kasi hindi ko siya in-order agad. I made sure na merong stock ng bike before ako bumili. Ever since talaga, never akong nagka-bike. Kasi nga, number 1, I cannot afford. Number 2, nung nagtatrabaho ako, wala akong time. So ngayon, dahil nga tumaas na yung gasolina, especially yung diesel, I had no choice but to be healthy and be fit. So I just need to put this all together. I don't know if this is okay kung gagawin ko to kasi nga wala akong bike stand. So for now, ito muna. Yan. Let's put the wheels. So it's very good kasi nandito to. I have learned na kailangan tong itago. Itong nilagay nila na support sa axle para pag gagamitin mo siya o itatransport mo yung bike mo, yung part na to is safe. Aside from this one, Andito rin yung ito. So, andito to para sa brake pads. Sa caliper para hindi siya mag-lock or maipit. So, let's try. Maraming support. Sana tama ito ginagawa ko. To be honest, di ko talaga ito alam. It's my first time. Now, I think doable naman siya. So, initial muna, hand tight muna tayo. Kasi this is not final. Oops. So, let's put it up again. Akala ko ano yung tumutunog. Ito pala. Okay, tanggalin na natin. Good. I love the logo. Hindi lang sana tumaas yung mga gasolina. Hindi ako magkakabike ng ganito. So, ito siya. Ang init. Teka, turn on natin yung aircon. So, tanggalin natin yung mga protections. So, I think kailangan natin higpitan to. Yan. Okay. Yan. Naliluko ko na siya. Okay na. Alright. So next is the seat post. So, ito yung seat post. Yun. Wow. Taas naman. Alright, di ba? I think that's inside this box. Yung part na pang-lock nito. Okay. The accessories. The pedal, aluminum, ordinary, and reflectors. And ito yung hinahanap ko. Itong seat post lock. Very crucial ito. Kasi baka mawala. Hirap na. Sabayin mo ito. So ayan guys, after many tries, nakabit ko rin yung seat post. Try natin higpitan ng konti. One thing to keep in mind, when you have this kind of bikes, bawal ang sobrang higpit. Baka mabiyak yung mga carbon lodi. So let's install this free pedal. Ito yung basic na type. Kilala niyo naman ako. Hindi ako nagpapalit hanggat hindi nasisira. Teka ha. Crucial to eh. Crucial to. Teka. Baka ma-lost rin. Teka lang. Oops. Teka. Ito. Crank armor or crank sleeve. Tignan nyo. O, diba? Very nice. Lagay natin. It will add weight, but it will protect. So no worries. Goods na tayo sa left side. Yung right naman, ang bihira. Nahihirapan ako sa likod. So, ayan. Complete na siya. Teka ha. May isa pa. Kailangan rin tanggalin to. Yun. Okay. So, ito na siya guys. Teka, tabi ko muna ito lahat. So, ayan guys. Inumaga na ako. Actually, madaling araw ko siya in-assemble. And somehow, nafi-figure out naman. Doable naman siya kahit wala akong experience. So, ito siya guys. My KES4 Ulti Pro Professional Edition. Wow. Titanium road bike. So ito guys, it's part of the ritual sound check. So let's do the sound check. Are you ready? Ayan. Diba? So, yan yung sound check niya. That was the sound check. And yun yung tinatawag nila na tunog mayaman. So that's it guys. That's for this video, for the unboxing and the assemble of my first ever. And I hope this is the last kasi nga this is titanium. You know, they say that titanium is lifetime. And by the way, this comes with a lifetime warranty. So, last bite. Hopefully, kasi ayaw ko nang gumastos kasi mahal nga yung gas. So, this is it. Very sulit as they say it. With all that is together with this bike, what do you think? Comment your thoughts below. And by the way, para sa mga may alam about this bike, especially the price, please keep it to yourself. Basta importante, aprobado ng asawa ko. No matter the price. So, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next vlog for the detailed review of this bike, for the parts and other things. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the content of this video and I hope you're also happy for me. Kasi nga, tipid is real and I am trying to be healthy and fit with this bike. So that's it. I'll see you in my next vlog. God bless. Stay safe. Ride safe.